So hello again, or for the first time, and today I have the Dewalt brushless 8-in-1 oscillating tool DCS355, and we will check. I have purchased it as not working from eBay. Let's try to put the battery in, and yep, it's not working, so it was like I was expected. And yeah, the battery is full. Okay, so definitely we need to open it and try to check what's wrong with it. And I see that I will start with a small screw here. Okay, got the screw out, so removing this part, and now we'll be able to open the housing. Okay, let's check. What can we see here? Of course, you can see the terminal, and we can see the small problem here, and someone definitely tried to repair it. Yeah, and it seems like the normal welding is here, the manufacturer welding, and this thing is here. So yeah, definitely someone tried to repair this one, and now okay, maybe it will be the same terminal as for the drill. I need to check it. Seems that we are lucky today. I have cut out the terminal from the not working controller of the Dewalt Drill, and they are the same. So now I need to connect all these wires, so I will cut these ones, and I think I will solder and put thermal tube on them, and I hope that will be good and up to working oscillating tool again. Okay, basically what I did, I put the liquid insulation tape here on the tiny wires, and for the man wires I just used the pressable connections. And yeah, the reason why I have used it here, the liquid insulation tape, was that the shrink tube was getting shrinked when I was soldering the wires, and I don't have the space to press them with some connection. Okay, but basically I think that will work. Okay, now we need to insert the switch here. Yep, it's here. Okay, yeah, it'll be like that, and yep, basically it will be good. Okay, now I will try to close the housing. Of course, carefully checking about the terminal. Yep. Okay, lost the switch here, and something was happening with this tool because it not looks like a normal tool that is connected by manufacturer. second attempt to close it. Getting the switch inside the housing, and yeah, you can press it now. I will screw the screws. And I will check for the screws, I think. And okay, the switch seems to be working, the terminal looks nice. Now we can try it and hope that everything will be good. Yeah, so it works. That's really good news for us that it works. And now we only need to assemble it back. And we can see that here we can put the blade. Okay, I will tighten the nut here. See that my memory card will soon run out of space, so just tightening the nut, turning it on to check, and that will be all for this tool. Okay, so it works. That's good for us. Thank you for watching, and bye.